Our client for this project was Mr. Lancaster, a science teacher at Concord High School. He wanted us to make a photogate for his physics students that could record the velocity of an object passing by and that would be easy for students to use. Our design had to follow specific criteria, like being accurate down to 2 decimal points and being simple and easy for students to understand and use. Our initial design was to have 2 sensors and an LCD screen attached to a box that would have wiring inside to analyze and print the velocity. After we created a 3D model of our design, we immediately got to work building a prototype. Our initial prototype was made out of cardboard, and we had to make multiple iterations of the screen holder in order to fit everything. We also had a prototype of our wiring that we set up using an Arduino board. We next 3D printed a new prototype of the box in 2 separate parts, which we aimed to hopefully use as our final design. Lastly, we soldered all of the wires into a more compact design that we planned to fit inside of the box. Our final design ended up not fitting inside of the box, but it did partially work. We then tested our design in front of our teacher, Mr. Estock, and later our client, Mr. Lancaster. Our design was able to record the velocity of a hand passing by and was able to convert the measurement between velocity and time, and some other conversions within those. We then compared our Photogate with another Photogate that Mr. Lancaster already had, in order to test the accuracy. Sadly, our Photogate ended up reading quite differently than the other one. In the end, our design worked, but it did not perform within the range of accuracy that we intended. In the future, our design needs to be made more accurate, and the box needs to be redesigned so the wiring can fit inside.